serving customers right.
Hello everybody, my name's Keith. I'm a shop foreman here at Cavalier Ford, and today I want to show you how to replace wiper blades on your 2018 Explorer. First thing you're going to do is remove your old wiper blade. Lift the arm up. There's two tabs on the bottom here. You'll squeeze them, rotate it off, you pull it off. Always take your arm, lay it back down on the windshield so it doesn't ever snap and break your windshield. So here we have the brand new Motorcraft replacement wiper blade. Comes with many pieces inside, as I'll show you here. We've got two different style attachment points, and you figure out which one that matches your vehicle. So this vehicle uses the B bracket. We have to change it out from the one that's on the original or the replacement wiper arm. Lift the tab, peel this up, take your new bracket, push down, and it'll click into place. So you'll take it, you'll hook into the arm, slide it up. You got two little tabs on the bottom. You squeeze, and it'll click into place. And then your wiper arm's installed. So now you know how to replace the wiper arm. Passenger side is the same way. My name's Keith Estes. I'm shop foreman here at Cavalier Ford Greenbrier. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.
Cavalier, serving customers